Number 3 is Lexmark MS520 MS521dn. Are you searching for a reliable and robust printer that can easily handle all your Cricut projects? If so, then look no further than the Lexmark MS520 MS521dn. With its durable components and replacement cartridge yields of up to 25,000 pages, this printer is built to last. It boasts a maximum input capacity of 2,000 pages, so you won't have to worry about constantly reloading paper during larger projects. And with print speeds of up to 46 pages per minute, you can complete your projects quickly and efficiently. What really sets the MS520 apart from other printers is its innovative font outlining technology, which ensures that even the smallest gray text is crisp and clear. And with its media tray that adjusts to paper sizes from A6 to legal, you'll have even more design and output possibilities to explore. But that's not all. The MS520 also has energy management features that reduce power consumption, whether the printer is active or in sleep mode. This means you'll not only be helping the planet, but your budget too. And perhaps most importantly, the MS520 prioritizes security. Lexmark's comprehensive approach to product security means you can trust that your information is always safe, whether in the document, on the device, or over the network. It's no wonder that Lexmark was awarded the prestigious BLI Pacesetter Award for document imaging security. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile printer for all your Cricut projects, the Lexmark MS520 MS521dn is an excellent choice. If you want to get this printer, then check out the link given in the description box.